I am inside my room here at Royalton Chic Punta Cana. This is a dedicated full room tour of the cheapest room they have here on site. It is the Luxury King with a garden view. I just got to this property and it seems really cool. It seems really trendy. Definitely a deviation from the other two Royalton properties that I just stayed at. So I'm really excited to be here. And again, my Marriott points, your Marriott points work here as well. So that is an added bonus. Okay, Royalton Chic. There's some things that I love about this room, and there's some things that I don't like about this room. We are going to get to all of that. I just got here, so we are going to kind of discover this room together. I'm going to start where the room starts, and that is the bathroom. This bathroom is compact. This bathroom is efficient. This bathroom is really, really small. We have a water closet here to the left. We have the shower on the back end, and then we have a vanity right here. This vanity is a single vanity, which is a little depressing because I would like to see a dual vanity. I love my space, especially in the bathroom, but this bathroom specifically could not fit a dual vanity if it wanted to. So single vanity. We do have a really cool large mirror here with the illumination behind the back of it. Just adds to the cool factor of this room. This shower is really neat. Reminds me of something you'd see at the Cosmopolitan. Not only is it a rain head, which I love rain head showers, we have a bit of see-through glass right here. So it's frosted on the bottom for a little bit of privacy, but as we move up, it is see-through, and you can see to the other portion of the room. So if you are going to stay here at Royalton Chic and split this room with someone, make sure you know them very well, because it is going to get very, very personal very quickly. Here is a peek of the water closet right here. You've seen one water closet, you've seen it all. Again, we have the glass that is frosted on the bottom, it's see-through on the top. I think my favorite part of this whole area is this black rose. I love this black rose artwork. That is really cool. There are some really neat, cool, modern, trendy touches in this room that I really, really enjoy. So moving out of the bathroom, I need to show you something in this closet. Check these out. Look at these amazing, cool black robes. How awesome and trick are these? I feel the world needs more black robes in it. Not only are they thin, but they are black with really, really cool branding insignia on here. Those are ultra cool. Okay, moving on to the main portion of the room. What I want to start out with is the other side of the see-through glass. So you can see how you can peer into the shower right here. And as we flip around, here is the main portion of the room. This bed looks really cool. I love the pink LED perimeter on it. I've never seen that in a hotel room before. That is a really cool, modern, trendy touch. And the bed looks really comfortable. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, this is fantastic. I have yet to be disappointed by a Royalton bed. In fact, all the Royalton beds have been fantastic. They've been superb. And this one does not disappoint as well. So if you're really big on your bed game, you definitely need to give Royaltons a try. They are phenomenal. As I just kind of look over the bed area, you have some really cool acrylic artwork above it. I love the black and white motif in here. And I think these lamps are really cool and modern as well. There, again, are some really, really nice touches in this place. TV on the wall. Not that you're going to be watching a lot of TV at Royalton Chic, but there is a TV. You can order room service and check out some of the amenities on property. All right, let's check out this mini bar. And the thing I like most about this mini bar is that they give you two different kinds of bullets. I call these things silver bullets right here. These are very pocketable and very fun. They're pretty much like a party on the go. But if you don't want the light, you could go leaded right here. These are the Rude Boys. I've actually never seen a mini bar that had both the regular and the lights in one of them, so that is really cool. And then moving on into the lounging relaxation part of the room, you have a high top right here. I feel the world needs more high tops in our hotel rooms. This is another great touch. I feel that like just sitting down on a traditional like table and chair setup is just so like 1990. Just give me a high top where I can have some breakfast, pound out an email, maybe have a cerveza in the morning or evening or whatever. This high top is a really great idea. Perched on the wall right here is some seductive art. That is really, really cool. I'm kind of getting like a Miami Cosmopolitan type vibe in this hotel room. I really, really like the decor and the mood and the energy of it. There's some really, really cool touches. And then speaking of cool touches, we do not have a couch here, we have a chase. So something different again here at Royalton Chic, and I must say, there will be a lot of time spent on this chase. This is really, really nice. And then you have a little slidable table right here where you can put your laptop or your coffee or your room service. And then before I get to the balcony, I just want to point out, I mean, there is a ton of glass in this room. I mean, here is a large mirror which really takes in the light from the outside and amplifies it. And this room needs it because this room doesn't have any overhead lighting at all. In fact, it's a little dreary. That's one of my main knocks on this room, is that it just isn't very lively and bright. Everything in this room in terms of the decor and the style is lively and bright, except the light. This room doesn't really have any of it, so thank God there are some mirrors and some glass that reflects it. And then lastly, let's check out this balcony. Again, this is very compact, very efficient. I'm not even sure two people could sit down right here if they wanted to, so that would be a difficult endeavor. Again, this is a garden view, so there is a view of the garden. We got some balconies right below us and above us. I mean, it's not the most private, but for the cheapest room on site, what do you expect? These balconies can be functional as well. You can hang up your wet clothes and let them dry overnight. And of course, it's always great to come out here, during the morning or evening and just take in some of that wonderful tropical air. All right, so that is it for my room rundown of the Royalton Chic's cheapest room, the Luxury King with a garden view. I wish it was a little larger. I wish it was a little brighter. If it was, I think it'd be fantastic. I would love to have a larger bathroom, maybe like a tub in here. I feel all 5-star hotels need to have a tub. It is not a 5-star hotel unless it has a tub, in my opinion. But I can see why it doesn't, because this room is very avant-garde, it's very trendy, it's very trailblazing, where they don't have a traditional dining table and chairs, they have a high top. They don't have a couch, they have a chase. So I can see why they went single vanity and a shower. And that stuff does allow them to really maximize space, which I can appreciate, but I do wish this room was just a little bit larger. So again, I just got here. Who knows what I'm gonna think about this room 3 or 4 days later, but I must say I am really digging that shower with the see-through glass on the other side. The LED pink bed accent light is really cool. Lots of glass everywhere. I'm digging the acrylic art and the art in general. The high top, the chase. This room is like quintessential cool. It is very chic. And Royalton did a great job of deviating from the norm and making this room unique and special. So that is it for my room tour. This video is ending, but my trip and experience is just beginning. I'm here for 4 nights. I have Diamond Club access, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that is like. You know, I'm gonna try to find the best restaurants, find the coolest drinks, basically unlock and unleash everything this property has to offer. If you're interested in what I do here for 4 nights, make sure you do check out my experience video. Eventually, I'll drop a link in the description below.